I'm Sean Ralph from Pool Pro Products, or the Pops Group, and I'm the Managing Director. We're wholesalers, manufacturers and distributors of pool products and pool chemicals right across Australia. We used to be on Excel spreadsheets, and that was very time consuming. We switched to Phocas, and I was a very novice at Phocas, and I'm getting better and better, but it just enabled us to see the data in real time, and as quick as we could possibly click the button, the data would be there. We base our business on a lot of weather-based, so obviously being very hot, high demand, being wet and rainy and cold, low demand. So it's very important for our business to be able to change our product mix and also our stock holdings at any one time or in the future, engaging months coming up. Yeah, look, we've got months, I suppose, and summer and winter and months, and certain months we know are big sellers and people are getting ready for their pools. So the shops, we make sure that we've got enough stock to support the shops. We also put our accounting package and everything and pull that data straight into Phocas, and allows us to be, I suppose, monetary ready as well as stock ready. And forecasting the stock for us is the biggest thing, and ensuring we've got enough stock in our system to allow us to be able to sell it in the peak times. We might have a product that has 6 or 7 products that makes the end product for the retailer. So we can see at any one time, we can punch up that product and see if it needs a lid, label, bottle, carton, the raw material or the manufacturer of the raw material to go in, and see how much of that we've got at any one time to ensure we've got enough for our production that's coming up. Too much hold on stock, so dead stock we use a lot of. So we can special that out and try and reduce our inventory and increase our inventory in areas where we need to increase it, where we've got more sales month on month or year on year, and decrease the one that's really not selling as much anymore. Using Phocas makes me feel like I'm in control of my data.